Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovations. And over the past few weeks on my channel, I have launched a variety of videos related to the power consumption testing of air conditioners. You can find all of those videos over here in this particular playlist. And one thing was common among those videos, that all of you guys were pretty excited that, sir, how come you are getting such low power consumption figures? That never happens to us. Please share your information. What is the secret? Guys, in this video, I am going to tell you the secret, and it is not very difficult. The power consumption of your air conditioner depends on a variety of factors. And a lot of these factors are not in your hands. For example, if there is sunlight on the room, is the room very large? Is the room not properly sealed? But there is one factor which is definitely very doable and it is very simple to do. Yes guys, that factor is regarding cleaning and maintenance of your air conditioner. In this particular video guys, we are going to talk about the air filter cleaning and servicing of LG dual inverter models. Because the method for opening filters for these particular LG ACs is slightly different. If you have a different brand of AC, then I have already made dedicated videos over here. The videos are in Hindi and English. You can go ahead and check it out. So the model which we are going to use today for a demonstration is LG 4-star 2021 latest dual inverter series. If you want to check its pricing or buy it off, then affiliate links are waiting for you in the description below. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly go to the AC. Let's open the filters. Let's clean it out and enjoy lower electricity bills. Let's go guys. Hi guys. Before starting this process, make sure to wear a good quality mask so that you can stay protected from dust and allergies. Also turn off the mains MCB switch because guys, safety is #1 priority. Now with that said, let's proceed towards the actual removal of dust filters. So the dust filter is located on the top and there will be two tabs over here. You can see in each of my hand I am holding this tab. Let me show you a close-up. So in the older models of the AC, the filter used to be behind this panel, but now they are right here on the top and removing them is very easy. So the two tabs which we talked about are located over here and on them you can see the words pull written in small fonts. So we have to just pull on them. Now I'll try doing this with one hand and I'll pull on the tab like this towards the upwards direction, that is towards the ceiling. It will be better if you use both of your hands at once, but I have to hold a camera in one hand. And here is how I have undone the front locks of this AC filter. You can see simply by pulling on these two tabs, the filter has come undone. And now we can pull this filter towards us and out it comes. Let me show you a view from the outside, how it actually looks while I am doing this. So here we can see that filter is magically back in place. Actually no, that is the fun with the editing. So I just pulled on these tabs once upwards and now I am going to pull the entire filter towards me, that is towards myself. So you grab it with both hands and pull it out towards yourself and the filter is over here. Now the filter in my particular situation is pretty clean because I clean the filters every 1 month or so. But I thought, well, let's make a video for you guys. So here is how the filter looks and let me give you a close-up. So even after regular cleaning, you can see that there's quite a bit of dust on these filters. And actually this is nothing because I have seen that these filters get absolutely caked with dust. And the airflow will be from this direction, which means that AC will be pulling the air from top, that is from this side. And to clean it, I am going to turn the filter over and place it like this. And from this direction, we are actually going to spray the water. So all of the dirt is going to dislodge and fall behind. So from this direction, I am going to put a good spray of water and that will remove all the dust from this filter. Using the water is the simplest and safest method for cleaning these filters, and you should use a medium pressure. If you use a very high pressure, then it might be possible that your filters will get ruined. And guys, I was wrong thinking that these filters are pretty clean. You can see the kind of muddy water which is coming from this filter even though I clean them regularly. So that is how all the dust and dirt is being dislodged by this spray of hand shower. Now hand shower is an ideal tool for washing these kind of filters because the pressure is just perfect. It's not too high but it's not too low. And after this rear side, I'll also spray a little bit on the front side so any remaining dust can be removed. If your filter has a lot of stubborn dust, then you can use a brush like this. And a common mistake is that people start using a toothbrush, and the toothbrush bristles are pretty stiff compared to a paintbrush. So I'll always suggest that you use a soft paintbrush which will clean your filter very effectively whilst preventing any harm. Buying link for these kind of soft brushes are waiting for you in the description below. So as you can see here for demonstration, I have used this paintbrush, and after we are satisfied with this, I leave this filter outdoors to let it dry. So here in this picture, you can see that it is simply drying. And while this filter becomes dry, we'll focus on the cleaning of actual AC body. For that, I'm going to use Colin. You can use any glass or home appliance cleaner. Variety of home appliance cleaners are waiting for you in the form of affiliate links in the description below. Spray a little bit of appliance cleaner on the AC or on the clean towel and simply wipe it off. Now the thing is that these glossy plastics look very beautiful, but they also attract a lot of dust. Especially this particular swing flap gets really dusty in just a few weeks of operation, and this is the kind of air which we breathe. So it is imperative that we keep these all the air guides and everything pretty clean. By the way guys, there is a secret switch hidden behind this swing flap. Do you know which one? If you don't know about it, then make sure to go ahead and check out this particular video over here. After cleaning this swing flap, I'll focus my attention to other areas, for example the sides of the AC. You don't need much, you just need a clean towel and a home appliance cleaner, and you can just wipe it carefully. There's also this area behind, or you can say below, the swing flap, which also gathers a lot of dust because the air will be flowing through this area and we don't want to breathe all of the dust, right? So make sure that all these air passageways are very clean. Alright guys, so with that done, I'll quickly go ahead and grab that filter which is waiting outside the house. So here is how it looks, pretty clean. Alright, now let's install the rearward locks of this dust filter. So the locks are located at the absolute rear of this filter, you can see over here. Let me provide a close-up view. So these are the locks which we were talking about. There are roughly, you can say 7 or 8 locks, and aligning them is very important. And the most important part is you don't need to use any force. If you use the force, then locks will break and it won't fit properly. So let me bring the filter for you. And as you can see, in the first step, we are going to align these rear locks. You can see how it looks. So these tabs will fit inside these oval shaped locks. You make sure to align all 7 or 8 of them, and this is how it looks. I made sure that I aligned each and every one of them. See, this one is not aligned. I'll align it again for you like so. Yeah, now it is better. Now it is now it is ready to get fixed. So now I'll simply lower this dust filter, and now it is time to align the front locks. So the front locks are pretty simple. They are press type locks, you can see over here. Actually, once the rear locks are aligned, these ones will get automatically aligned. So what I'll do is simply press on them like so. Again, there are some 7 or 8 locks, and you need to make sure that all of them are closed. So I'll run my hand around a second time, and I'll press on them and feel that yeah, all of them are good and well settled in their actual position. So here you can see how they are locked, and now I am satisfied with the fixture of this particular AC filter. Guys, this is a voiceover video so that all of those noises won't disturb you. And here is how the filter looks finally after installation. Let's also take a distance view at this process. So the rear locks have been aligned, and I'll simply press on the front the frontal locks of this dust filter like so. And after I'm satisfied, I'll once again run my hand across the perimeter of this particular filter, and I'll make sure that each and every lock is perfectly aligned. And that completes the process of air filter cleaning. If you like this video guys, hit a like, and if you're interested in learning more about air conditioners, there's a whole playlist waiting for you in the description below. The playlist is known as All About Air Conditioners, and it contains variety of guides related to power consumption, maintenance, and efficient usage of air conditioning units. So that's it for this little video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have a nice day.